So today we'll be cast iron cooking wild venison steak. Can't wait. When you're doing any kind of cooking by a fire, it's good to have your food close to the fire, but you don't want it too close, as you could burn it. You could actually cook the outside faster than the inside can cook, and it'll burn your meal and just taste gross, really charcoaly. So what I like to do, like right now I have some sweet potatoes sitting there. I'm going to make a steak, some wild venison steak. First, what I did was I started my fire about a half hour ago, 45 minutes ago, and just let it kind of burn up a bit, get a good heat coming off of it, get some coals and some embers. And at this stage, it's not ready for like actually grill cooking, but it is good enough for baked potatoes or baked sweet potatoes. So I wrap my sweet potatoes up in tin foil. Remember, you want to have your dull side facing out, so shiny side inside. And when you are doing the cooking like this, keep your fire away from your sweet potatoes so you don't burn them, but give them a couple coals. So push some coals close to the sweet potatoes just so it resonates some of that heat off and gives it a good temperature. So that's what I like to do. Now I'll just keep some of them coals there, and then I might add a few more a little bit after, depending. And right there, just put my stick down, and then I just kind of feel, and it feels a little too warm, so I'm actually going to remove a few of those coals. And if I feel it starting to get cooler, I'll add some more coals. So I'll actually just put them back just a little bit more. I don't want them too close. Okay, there you go. And you're going to want to turn your potatoes every so often so they don't burn as well and get a nice even cook. Okay. There's some cast iron cooking.
Look who it is, Derky.
I guess a meat bird wanted to come to dinner. Always trying to escape.
The problem is if it finds food out here,
because it sees the turkey's chilling. So the sweet potatoes are just about done. So I put on the cast iron grill that I'm going to cook the steaks on, and then I have the cast iron skillet here that I'm browning that I'm sauteing the onions on, and I'm going to put the mushrooms in there very shortly. You don't want to put your mushrooms first. You want to actually cook your onions for just a little bit, get them a little bit caramelized before you put in your mushrooms. And then once the mushrooms are in, we'll put on the steak. But you want to make sure your grill is really, 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 really hot before you put your steaks on. Okay, so the sweet potatoes are just about done. We have the onions and mushrooms going on the cast iron skillet, and I have the cast iron grill heating up, getting ready for the steak. So I'm going to be putting that steak on very soon because I can hear it sizzling. You want to make sure you put a proper amount of oil on your cast iron to make sure that nothing sticks. I like to use olive oil, but you can use any oil that you have. It's sizzling. Smells amazing. Can't wait to put that steak on. Okay. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. The onions going. We got the steaks going. Yeah, I find cast iron is one of the best ways to cook your food, just because it does distribute the heat better. And when you are using cast iron, a tip is to use a metal spatula or spoon or whatever utensil you're using on your cast iron. Make sure that it's metal. It doesn't have to be, but it's just, I find it's better on your cast iron when you do. Sweet potato are just about done. I'm going to take those off. We got steak sizzle. Beautiful, eh? Beautiful. Let's campfire cooking at its finest. Alright, it's time to flip these guys. Oh yeah. It's looking good. So here's our venison steak. These steaks actually were harvested from the homestead last fall. So it's all part of the subsistence lifestyle. You gotta gather enough during the seasons that you can enjoy meals like this in the summertime. And you can supplement with fish and chickens you grow, things like that. That beautiful meal. I gotta take those sweet potatoes off, they're done. So sorry about the light, it's just getting a little dark, but the onions and sweet potato are done. And the steak is getting there. Just about done.